Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, St. Joseph, local and long-distance movers near me. We provide you with plenty of options to make your long-distance move easier, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. If it's time to move and your move will take you 100 miles away or further, you're going to need your long-distance movers to help. When you get loaded up and down the road faster, our team will make sure your relocation goes smoothly and you'll have one less thing to worry about when you hire us. With the help of an Illinois moving company, you save time and energy. Professional movers know how to properly handle your things so they can get to your new location safely. You'll have less to worry about and you can focus on other important tasks. With the help of 3 movers, your local move becomes streamlined. We know how to save you a ton of time and keep you from doing any of the heavy lifting. Our movers can handle even the largest move in just one afternoon. In addition to local and long distance moving, our St. Joseph moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.